Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Samsung Evo Plus 128GB microSDXC UHS Speed Class 3 memory card with adapter. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a microSDXC memory card from Samsung, and it has a read speed of up to 100 megabits per second, write speed of up to 90 megabits per second, and it supports 4K Ultra HD video recording. And taking a look at the back of the card, there are some product features. So it has a 10-year limited warranty, and it's waterproof, magnet proof, X-ray proof, and temperature proof. And there is some fine print in various languages on the back of the packet. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet. But of course, following the cut line here with a pair of scissors. So very carefully snipping right across. And then of course popping apart the card packet and sliding the contents out from it. And there we have it, and making sure that there's nothing else left behind in the card packet right there, we can go ahead and set it to the side right there. And of course, now we can take a close-up look, but actually before that, just going to set it on the tabletop right there in the middle of the frame so you can have a nice clear view of what we've just removed from the card packaging right there. So this is the Samsung Evo Plus 128GB microSDXC UHS Speed Class 3 memory card with SD adapter. So taking a close-up look now, you can see the microSDXC card on my left, and of course the SD card adapter on the right. And showing you the undersides of the SDXC card along with the adapter as well, so you can see the overall size and design and construction of both parts here. So now just setting the SD adapter down and then giving you a close-up look at the microSDXC card so you can see just how small it is. And this has a 128GB capacity. I'm showing you the side profile as well, and giving you an all-round look as to the size and of course once again the overall construction of this UHS Speed Class 3 memory card. So there, nice close-up look right there. And just setting it in the palm of my hand so you have some reference and perspective to the size of this microSD XC memory card, and of course with the SD adapter as well right there. Okay, So a nice good all-round look. Once again, close up of both the SD adapter along with the microSDXC memory card. And now perhaps separately with just the SD adapter right here. So the SD adapter is used for usually older devices where they don't have a tiny micro SD card slot. So how you use this SD adapter is by sliding or inserting the microSDXC memory card on the left hand into the slot at the rear here. And now you can use this SD adapter card for older devices where they only accept this SD card format size memory cards. Just to show you right there. And of course there is a protective slider as well, should you need to lock or prevent any write access or overwriting the memory card. Okay, and of course you need to remove the microSDXC card, simply pull it out from the back of the SD adapter. Okay, giving you a much closer look now. And there we have it. So that's the Samsung Evo Plus 128GB microSDXC UHS Speed Class 3 memory card with adapter. Thanks for watching and happy saving!